Hello guys. So today we will be discussing about how can we upload our Django web app which is running in the local environment. How can we deploy it in the internet and for free? Okay. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step easy process how can we deploy our Django application in the web. Okay. So I'll just show you my Django application. This is my Django application which is running in my local server. So if you can see, this is a dynamic website. We can log in, log out. Okay, there are some options which are there, and it's working perfectly fine in the local environment. Okay, so I'll be discussing how to create this website, step by step process how to create this website. Also I'll be showing it to you in my upcoming videos, so please do subscribe to my channel. So in my previous video I have shown that how can we upload the resume in a independent URL. This time I have linked it to my dynamic website. Okay, so this is a Django application built from scratch, and it is running absolutely fine in the local environment. I will be hosting this website for free in pythonanywhere.com. Okay, and absolutely free. So I'll have jot down the list of steps that are required to deploy it. So we'll be going step by step process. So first of all, log into the Python Anywhere screen. So this is www.pythonanywhere.com. So we can see here that this is one website by Anaconda. So if you do not have an account, go ahead and create a free account over here. Okay, once you log into the account, you will see the four menus coming up: dashboard, console, files, and web. It is the first screen, then console is the second screen, third is the files screen, and web. I have opened all the four options in the four tabs. The first screen of dashboard shows you the overall summary of your user account. Okay, what were the recent consoles, recent files, recent notebooks, web apps. In the console section you can see what are the different bash files. So console is similar to the command prompt. You can open Python, or you can open the bash, or you can open the SQL or any other. In the file section is this is the file browser where you can upload the file or create the file which is required for your web app. And in the web section, here is where we'll be creating the web app. So first of all, logging to the web app pythonanywhere.com. Okay, then I have listed down the steps. The major detailed version is available in this site, help.pythonanywhere.com pages following the Django tutorial. Okay, you can refer to this particular site for information, but I have jotted down the points, summary points, and added few more points in detail, so you can refer to this notebook as well. Steps we'll start with. First of all, we'll need to create a virtual environment. So my application that I have created, it uses Python 3.8. So I'll be creating a virtual environment. Now what is virtual environment? Virtual environment is a set of libraries. So it is Python only, but you are not using the raw Python which gets installed in your system. You are creating another environment which is standalone Python server, which is specific to your project only, so that if there are any changes in the libraries, some other projects are using some other versions of Python or some other libraries, that should not affect your code. So that's why we create different virtual environments for our web apps. Okay, so the first step is to create a virtual environment. The command to write is make virtual environment, the name of the virtual environment, and which Python version to be used. So we'll just copy this. We'll go to the file section, and under home coding with Ash. Okay, this is my username for this particular website. I'll just click on open bash console here. Okay, so this is the command prompt. Bash console will be opened, and we'll be pasting the command over here. Step 1, create the virtual environment. First of all, paste the first command, press enter. So it will create a virtual environment using Python 3.8. Okay, as you can see, the first command ran successfully. I'll just clear the console. Okay, then the next step is to upload the requirements.txt file using the file tab. So I'll go to the console. Here in the file section, Okay, here, okay, so I'll be uploading the file here. So I'll just click on upload a file, and here you can see requirements.txt. Okay, so requirements.txt is uploaded. I'll just show you how the what is inside the requirements.txt file. So Django 2.2.2, Python 1.5.1, and Pillow 9.3.0. Okay, so these three files. Now once this file is uploaded, requirements.txt file will go to the console again, and we will write pip install -r requirements.txt. Packages are installed. Then the next step is to write Django admin start project my project. My site is the name of the project that I'll be writing, and this is one standard command from Django to start a particular project. So what it will do is it will basically create a folder of my site over here under coding my ash, and inside that it will put basic structure of Django inside it. Okay, done. So next is to first is to create a web app in the Python Anywhere. Open up a new browser tab, go to the web tab and add a new page. Okay, I'll be just showing you this thing. So in the console, the web, the fourth option, just click here, click to add a new app. So by default it will generate your website with coding with ash.pythonanywhere.com. So python.anywhere.com would be the suffix, and the name of the username would be the website name. So by default this would be there. If you want to change it, you can upgrade. I'm fine with it, so I'll just click on next. So make sure here manual configuration we need to select. Okay, though we are creating Django, but just since we are utilizing our own virtual environment, that's why just select the manual configuration. Then in this I'm using version 3.8, so I'll use this and I'll click on OK, next. Fine. So now my website is created. Okay, so we can actually click on here, and if you see, hello world program is generated. Till now everything is good and our website is created. Now we need to load our web application in our URL. Okay, so then the next step is we need to go to the virtual environment section and mention the name of the virtual environment that we created. Okay, so where is it? If you go down here, these are one in the code section, one in the virtual environment section. So in the virtual environment section, just click here, write the name of the virtual environment that we are using. Remember the first step that we did was to create the name venv. The same name we'll be writing here. We'll click tick. Okay, then what's the next step? This is done. Then in the code section, just edit the wsgi file and just copy paste this particular text. So in the code section, just click on wsgi file, click here, select everything, just replace it with this, save it, go back. Also here in the working directory, just write this, and in the source code, just write my site, the name of the the folder my site. Okay, just click here. So everything looks good, code, virtual environment, things are fine. Next, save the file. Super. So one more thing we need to do right now. Right now also, if you go here and if you refresh, it will throw one error of disallowed host. Okay, I'll just explain you in the next step how we can fix it. Nothing but there is a allowed host section in the code. Anyhow, in my code I'm handling this thing in settings.py by allowing allowed host to be star. So I'm already handling. So once I'll upload my code into this error would be resolved. Okay, so next is now we need to upload my code. So go to the files tab and upload files and folder. So there is one challenge here. We cannot upload a folder here in pythonanywhere.com. So the alternative way is you just go here, you just create your code and just compress it into a zip format. Okay, and then you can upload this zip format here. So I'll just upload here, upload a file, zip file, my site.zip got uploaded. Now go to the console section. Okay, now if you do dir, you can see that my site.zip is already present. So you just need to write unzip my site.zip. So what it will do is it will expand the like unzip the zip file. Just click on A to overwrite all the files. Okay, and everything got done. Just clear. So if now we can see in the file section, if you go here, there is under my site there are many files created now. Okay, based on my application. Okay, super, that's it. Now you just need to go to the web application portion, and any changes you made to the code, just click on reload. Now if you go to this URL, if you refresh, tada, you have your website uploaded, deployed for free in your own URL, which you can share. Now if you see, it's a not secure one, but if you see here and if you write here HTTPS, still you can see this site has a secured URL as well. So by default you get all the certifications in your website, and you can utilize it, either not secured version or secured version, whichever is useful. Now I'll quickly give you a brief of the application that I did. So in this basically three options are there. One is admin section, one is register section, one is login section. Okay, so in the login section we'll just see if my code is working fine. Super. So I have not currently, no dashboards are attached, but in the portfolio if I want to see, yes, my resume can be seen. Okay, the dashboard I do not have anything, and if I want to log out, log out. Super. So whatever my application was working in the local environment, the similar way it is now working in my website URL. Now I have my own custom URL, and I can deploy it for free. One challenge which Python Anywhere has is, if you go here to the web app section, so you will see here a notification, this site will be disabled on this. Okay, so don't worry, in every 3 months you just need to come here, log in, and just you need to click this. So it will be extended, your free time period will be extended for the next 3 months. Okay, so this is one con, but yeah, for free if you're getting, I guess it's fine. Super. Then this in my upcoming videos I'll be showing you how I built this website from scratch using Django, and also here I'll just give you an example. So what I have done in this website is I have created a login logout page, a register page, and admin page. So in the there is one cool feature that I have implemented in this website is where I have integrated streamlit application within this particular Django website. Okay, so if you see here my analyst username, so this is one user which is linked to an analyst group, and this has access to one application for data analysis which I've created in Streamlit. And you can see this within this Django website I have integrated Streamlit. So it's a, again it's an dynamic streamlit application which is there, and the moment you log out it goes off. And if you see here with another user in the dashboard, I have not linked any application, so you can see no dashboard linked to the user ID, and log out. Okay, so how I created this website, in my upcoming videos I'll be giving step by step from the scratch all the descriptions of how I created this website. Do like my channel, and subscribe if you haven't done already for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.